Hi guys, today me and my friend Nitika are going to take you through the entire campus of IIM Ahmedabad. I know it has been quite some time since I uploaded any video. That's why I wanted to make this video after a break a very special one, and it's going to be an elaborate tour of entire campus. So let's get started. We have started from the entry gate of new campus and now we are moving towards the entrepreneurship cell. I really love this area because it's filled with a lot of creepers. And as you know me from beyond IMA vlogs as well, I love plants, and this is the area I really like a lot. I didn't very often come to this area, and this particular tree is something that I would call a missed opportunity. A lot of great pictures could have been taken there. This is the incubation center, and just behind it is one of our favorite tea places. In between classes, we used to come here to have tea, and that's what we are doing right now as well. A little bit of backstory. Before coming to IMA, I was working in a startup. I was staying in Delhi, and I was quite content with my life there. And I'm somebody who has a lot of moment of inertia. I get settled into a place and I don't feel like moving away from there. I was quite comfortable in the setup that I had going for myself, and it may seem very trivial, but one day I was just sitting in my apartment, looked at all the hand-picked furnitures I had, the entire setup for YouTube, how everything I owned was meant for my comfort level and increase my productivity. And I started feeling increasingly anxious about how am I going to recreate this sense of belongingness when I go to Ahmedabad. Surprisingly enough, just within a matter of weeks, I was at home when I came to campus. By the time I was about to leave the campus, that same feeling of inertia, that same feeling of just holding on to this belongingness for a little bit longer started to creep in. But this time it was all the more intense. So this video is not just for YouTube, it's also for me to serve as a time capsule that can get me back to campus and this class anytime I want. So this was my seat pretty much for most of IIM Ahmedabad. In the first term, my seat was at the back, and somewhat after that I got stuck in the front row in the middle. And to be fair, it wasn't a great experience sitting there. Now we are walking towards the dorms of new campus, and this wall filled with creepers right here was our favorite photo booth. And now we are in the dorm area. Now I'll just give a sneak peek of our study rooms. So this is one of the study rooms where we have our case study discussion and do our assignments with our study group. Now let's take a sneak peek into the new campus gym where I didn't end up spending as much time as I would have wanted to while my stay at the campus. Most of the dorms have an accompanying playground, and this circular thing is one of the most representative of IMA architecture. Now we are moving towards the old campus and we are going via the tunnel. So it's a very cool thing that one tunnel connects old campus to new campus because there's road on the top. And this is Smart from where I got my first and last notebook. Bikanerwala, where I sometimes ate, Pit Souls, where I rarely ate, and then CT, where I mostly ate. In the evening, I loved coming to old campus when the sprinklers get on and I can just have a coffee while absorbing the charm of old campus. Now, this is the place from where all the birthday cakes came. Now, walking towards the faculty residence area, with all its greenery and chirping birds, is the most serene area on the campus, which housed many of my existential crisis walks. In terms of duration, my stay here was insignificant compared to rest of my years. But I guess all of you will relate to the fact that no matter wherever we studied, those years were the most momentous years of our life. They transformed me from who I was to who I will be, expanded my horizons to heights which were beyond my dreams earlier. Every corner in this place has a story associated with it. This place gave me mentors, countless friends, confidants, and partners in crime, and a lot more. Even though the duration wasn't that long, but still, this place houses most of my memories. Now, after completing a round of faculty residence area, we are at Old Campus Gym, where again I didn't spend as much time as wanted to during my stay at IMA. Because I came to shoot this video just after completing an interview, I was walking in heels and I got really tired because the campus is huge and this grass on cricket ground was quite inviting. I'm not very sure whether it's cricket ground or not because I wasn't involved in any kind of sports altogether. So I just gave my feet some relief before going to the old campus main gate. Never in my wildest dream I ever thought that I'll be standing here one day. So now we are re entering the campus from the old gate and walking towards Harvard Steps, where we clicked our first batch picture, and that's why this is really special to me. And in the future to come, we took a lot more different pictures here itself. Harvard Steps connects us to different classrooms and library, and that is the place from where we enter the main area of old campus. So now Nitika is walking towards the library. We can't shoot within library because photography is prohibited there. So I couldn't show you insides of it. And now we are looking at the iconic Louis Khan Plaza. You may recall some areas of it from the famous song Ofo. While strolling around iconic Louis Khan Plaza, I started reminiscing already. This is one walk down from one of the last few walks here, and I knew how much I am going to miss it. Even though I may come back at reunions, this won't be the campus I know, my home. I will be a guest of the campus, but the campus always belongs to the current batch. Yes, the red bricks will be there, but all the folks and the experiences that made it life changing won't be there. In the end, बस यादें 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 रह जाती हैं, कुछ मीठी मीठी बातें रह जाती हैं.